Hey guys, Vin again from the Bear Gentleman, and today we are going to be unboxing the AirPods and the AirPods Pro. Both of these are the 2020 versions, and they both have the wireless charging case. And I got these for my wife to kind of decide which one she likes. She just got this new iPhone 12, which I just did an unboxing of. I'll leave a link down to that if you want to go check it out. And this is just going to be the unboxing video for these. If you guys got any questions about these, which I'm sure you'd be able to find out by now. But again, if you got any questions, if you haven't seen anything about these that you would like to see, just leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it. All right, let's start off with our regular AirPods. Alright guys, starting off from the top, we have our quick start guide and some other literature. And right underneath that, we have our AirPods. And underneath the AirPods, we have another compartment which has our USB-A to Lightning charging cable. And that is actually about it. Let me get the AirPods out here. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and put the stuff to the side. Alright, and now we're going to move on to our AirPods Pro. And same thing as the AirPods, we have our little compartment here with some literature. We have our AirPods. And then underneath here, we have a nicer looking tab, right? And in this compartment here, we have our adjustable ear tips, which you can change out with the ones that are already installed on this to make sure you have a good seal, which will help out with the noise isolation and overall sound quality. And then we have our USB-C to Lightning power cable as well. And that is about it. And something weird, I guess. This box definitely smelled like a lot of chemicals. Weird. But here, let me get everything laid out side by side. Even though I'm sure you guys have seen like 100 videos of these. We have our AirPods Pro. There we go. I'm going to lay everything out so you can see like a size comparison. You can see not too much bigger than the regular AirPods. Alright guys, so here we have everything laid out, and for both you have your charging cases, you have your respective AirPods, and then you have charging cables. Something interesting is that the regular AirPods are still a USB-A to Lightning, whereas the AirPods Pro is a USB-C to Lightning. And with the AirPods Pro, you also get these adjustable ear tips. And once again, I am going to be doing a more in-depth review of these, and I'm going to be comparing them to the Galaxy Buds Plus as well as the Galaxy Buds Live. And if you guys got any questions or anything you'd like to see in that video, just leave a comment down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please consider dropping a like and subscribing for more content like this, and I'll see you guys next time.